The Crossfit Open 19.1 consists of as many reps as possible of wall ball shots and also rows. Both of these exercises place a lot of load on the quads and also on the glutes, so a recovery program should mainly focus on these two muscle groups. This is because both of these exercises require the quads and the glutes to contract to not only extend both the knees and the hips, but also to contract to slow down flexion of the hip and of the knee. The first two recovery exercises are going to focus on the glute muscles. What we'll do is we'll take a foam roller and we're going to sit at about a 45-degree angle. If we're doing our right glute, we're going to cross our right leg over, and then we're going to slowly roll up towards our belt line and then down towards the top of the hamstring. We can also rotate our body left and right so that we can get both the inside and outside portions of the glute. We want to spend about 30 to 45 seconds foam rolling in this area, and then we can switch sides. Then we'll transition into a static glute stretch, where what we're going to do is we're going to be laying on the ground. We're going to cross whatever leg we want to stretch over. So on this one, I'm going to cross my right leg underneath me, and then I'm going to slowly rock my hips back and then sit into this position for 30 to 60 seconds. The next recovery exercises are for the quads. Again, we're going to start off with the foam roller, and what we're going to do is we're going to just place the foam roller underneath both of our legs, and we're kind of going to be in a plank position, and then we're just going to slowly roll from just above the kneecap to just in front of the hip. We can also rotate our legs so that we're getting the inside and outside portions of the quad. Generally, the outside portion is a little bit more tender, but we want to make sure that we're addressing the inside portion as well. Once we find a tender spot, we can make this exercise a little bit more dynamic by flexing and extending the knee. And so what we're going to do is we're just going to bring our heels up towards our glutes and then extend them back to that original position. If we want to put a little bit more pressure on the quad, we can switch from having both legs on the foam roller to just one. Again, we'll repeat all the same things of rolling from just above the knee to up to the front of the hip, and then also rotating our legs so we get both the inside portion, which is the vastus medialis, and also the outside portion, which is the vastus lateralis muscles of the quads. For the quad static stretch, we'll do the bretzel stretch, which will not only get the quads, but it'll also get the glutes and the mid-back as well, which were all involved in 19.1. To perform the stretch, we're going to lay on our side. With our bottom hand, we're going to grab our top leg behind our knee, and then with our top hand, we're going to grab our bottom foot. And so the bottom leg, we're going to pull that heel towards our glute, and our top leg, we're going to pull that up towards our chest. And finally, we're going to drop our shoulder down towards the ground. Then we're going to hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, and then we'll repeat on the other side. I hope these exercises help you recover from 19.1 so you're not too sore afterwards. I'll see you here for some more recovery exercises for 19.2.